Hey there! Welcome to Understanding Common Core Math. This video series is designed for parents and teachers who are looking to better understand the Common Core and are looking to find ways to support kids in their development of math skills. In the previous standard, K.MD.A.2, we talked about having students identify measurable attributes of objects. Two primary examples of measurable attributes included length and weight. In this standard, K.MD.A.2, we are looking to extend the idea of measurable attributes to comparing those attributes when given two objects. Simply put, we want your child to look at two objects and compare a common characteristic. For example, suppose that your student has two stuffed toys. Let's compare their heights. Height is a measurable attribute. In this example, as shown on the screen, the toy on the left is taller than the toy on the right. Therefore, the height of the toy on the left is greater than the height of the toy on the right. The key to your student meeting this standard lies in recognizing how the heights compare. Specifically, that one height is greater than or less than the other. Like I mentioned in the previous video, we are not expecting your child to actually measure the heights at this point. Measurement will start to occur in first grade. We want your child to recognize the difference in the heights and make an observation about the comparison. Now, suppose that you hand your child two books. One is a large dictionary and the other is a small chapter book. Ask your child to compare the two books. Your child might compare the weights of the books. Obviously, the large dictionary is going to be heavier than the small chapter book. Ask your child to make an observation about the weights. Your child might observe that the chapter book is lighter than or not as heavy as the dictionary. Or vice versa, he or she might state that the dictionary is heavier than the chapter book. Again, the key is that we want your child to recognize that weight is measurable and is comparable. Another way that your child might compare the books is based on their thickness. He or she might observe that the dictionary is thicker than the chapter book. This is an excellent observation based on a length measurement. Observing that the thickness can be measured in some way and observing that there is a difference in the thicknesses of the books is what we want your child to be able to do. So, this standard is relatively straightforward. Hopefully the examples illustrated what we want your child to be able to do. It is important to note that these initial measurement standards are intended to get your child thinking about what measurement means and how to compare characteristics of objects. This will form the foundation for measurement in later grades, where your child will actually be asked to take measurements and compare the mathematical results. If you have any questions about standard K.MD.A.2, please leave them in the comments section. If you liked this video, please subscribe to this channel and check out the other videos in the series. Thanks for watching.